Are you tired of searching for how to add ProBot to your Discord server? Install it in under 2 minutes with this simple guide. I'll walk you through each click, from opening Discord to authorizing the bot. Follow along and you'll have ProBot set up in no time. Start by opening Discord and navigating to your server. Then, click on your server's name at the top left to open the drop-down menu. Now, select Server Settings from that menu. Once you're in Settings, click on App Directory to browse available bots. In the App Directory, type ProBot into the search bar. Click on the ProBot result that appears. Then hit Add App to begin the installation process. Click Visit Site to proceed. Now select your desired server from the drop-down menu. Click Continue to move forward. Finally, click Authorize to grant ProBot the necessary permissions. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.